Alright guys, I'm on the US dollar, Canadian dollar, 15-minute chart, and I'm about to enter into a buy trade. So let's do that. My stop loss is here. That's my entry point. That's my target. All the indicators were signaling to me that I could go long, and so I've entered the trade. Now I'm going to wait and see what happens, and I'll come back to monitor the trade. So it's just a few hours later, and I'm back, and we can see that we entered price here, we entered the market there, and our take profit target was hit right here. With this trade, we made $2,559.60 within just a few hours. A nice, simple trade. Thanks for watching.